How to start pre-sale order business step by step for those of you who want to start selling products but doesn't have initial capital or money or fund to buy the products you want to sell. This video is for you. Starting pre-order business involves validating a product concept with samples, building an audience, and using customers' funds to finance production, thereby reducing risk. Key steps include setting up an online store, example Shopify or Wix, or create a WhatsApp group and use it as your storefront. Defining a clear shipping timeline and leveraging active marketing to generate demand. I will give you 6 key steps to start your pre-order business. Number 1, validate and prototype. Create samples to ensure quality. Do not run pre-order campaign without prototype, as this leads to unfulfilled expectations. Number 2, build an audience first. Pre-order business work best when you have an existing audience. Share behind the scene content, design process, prototyping to build anticipation before official launch. Third, establish a platform. Use e-commerce platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, or WhatsApp group to create online store. Set up a product page, listing the products as pre-order with clear shipping time estimate. 4, set clear times and deadlines. Define the campaign durations and explicitly state when the product will be shipped to manage expectations. 5, marketing and promotion. Actively promote through social media and the email marketing. Use scarcity and urgency. Example, limited time offer, only 50 available, to drive immediate sales. Number 6, production and fulfillment. Use funds from the pre-sale to pay for bulk orders. Ensure you have a solid relationship with suppliers to meet delivery timelines. These are tips for success in your pre-order business you wish to start. A, limit risk. The main advantage is only producing what is already sold, avoiding excess inventory. B, avoid over-promising. Be realistic about manufacturing and the shipping times to avoid damaging your brand reputation. C, use crowdfunding. Consider platforms like Kickstarter to build community and secure funding for specialized or innovative products. If you don't have money to set up a website for your pre-order business, consider using WhatsApp. Or if you don't know how to set up a website or manage a website, then consider using WhatsApp. Or if website is too complex for you, consider using WhatsApp group. Initially, I started using WhatsApp group for my pre-order business. How it works: promote your WhatsApp group on social media like TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, or Snapchat, inviting people or audience to join your WhatsApp group and inform them that this WhatsApp group is for pre-sale order. Once you have up to 50 to 60 members or even 20 members, start posting products, informing them, and they outline the price, set up the price and the batch by batch. Also learn how to source products, and pricing is very important. Learn how to source the right product, especially things they need in your own place, in your own country, what your audience wants. These are the tips you need to take. If you watch this video to this point, I want you to ask me in the comment section, what is the best product for pre-order business? I will answer you right in your comment section. Okay, this is Ikuchi. Encourage me by sharing this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Please tag your friends, comment and like. See you in my next video.